Guys, it's Marjanias Kamoy, and today we are going to make a lasagna, okay? First, we are going to warm our pot. Melt the butter. Then add our ground meat and fry it until it gets golden brown. Here we have our lasagna kit and we are going to use this one, nor lasagna. And here we have lasagna mix or sauce mix, and we have the platter. We also need 3 dl of milk and 6 dl of water. Now let's open our sauce mix and add it to our pot. Also add our milk and water and mix together and allow it to boil. While waiting, turn on your oven into 200 degrees. And then guys, we need a tray and pour some sauce. And layer our platter. And then pour our sauce again. And layer our platter. And pour the remaining sauce. Add cheese on the top. And bake it in the middle of the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and allow it to cool. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes before you serve, and serve it with garlic bread and salad. Bye for now.